The power of money: no money, no respect. No money, no good food. No money, no good clothes. No money, no relatives. No money, no enjoyment. No money, no love. If you want to change yourself, work smart. Don't be a slave to money. Some people hate you for no reason. And it's not because of who you are, but because of what they were told. People believe lies faster than truth, especially when the truth is quiet. They don't know your real spirit. They only know the gossip. Anybody can use the word love. It's easy to say, I care about you. But love is not a decoration for the mouth. When someone truly loves you, you don't have to beg for their concern. Some people watch your life like a movie, waiting for the scene where you fail. People can hug you tightly and still hope you fall softly, just enough for them to feel taller. Some people don't hate you. They hate the part of you that refuses to be controlled.